Welcome to our video presentation on the VEVOR stainless steel water distiller. In today's world, having access to clean and pure water is essential for our health and well-being. That's where the VEVOR stainless steel water distiller comes in. With its advanced technology and durable construction, this distiller provides you with the highest quality of purified water. Join us as we take a closer look at its features and how it can benefit you. Let's start by understanding what sets the VEVOR stainless steel water distiller apart from other water distillation units. This appliance is built with high-quality stainless steel, ensuring longevity and durability. Its sleek design makes it an attractive addition to any kitchen or workplace. With a power output of 746W, it efficiently distills water, removing impurities and contaminants. The VEVOR stainless steel water distiller boasts several key features that make it a standout choice. Firstly, it has a large capacity, allowing you to distill up to insert capacity of water per cycle. This means you'll have an ample supply of clean water for drinking, cooking, and other purposes. Additionally, it features a user-friendly control panel, making operations simple and convenient. Let's take a closer look at how the VEVOR stainless steel water distiller purifies water. The distillation process involves boiling the water, turning it into steam, and then condensing the steam back into liquid form. This effectively removes impurities such as bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, and chemicals, leaving you with pure and fresh-tasting water. Investing in the VEVOR stainless steel water distiller offers numerous benefits. Firstly, it provides peace of mind knowing that you and your loved ones are consuming clean and safe water. It is also a cost-effective solution, as it eliminates the need for purchasing bottled water. Additionally, the distiller is environmentally friendly, reducing plastic waste and carbon footprint. Operating and maintaining the VEVOR stainless steel water distiller is straightforward. Simply fill the chamber with tap water, and the distiller will do the rest. Regular cleaning and descaling are necessary to ensure optimal performance. The appliance comes with clear instructions on how to maintain and clean it, making it easy for anyone to use. Thank you for watching our video on the VEVOR stainless steel water distiller. With its superior construction, efficient operation, and numerous benefits, this appliance is a reliable choice for all your water distillation needs. Remember, clean and pure water is essential for a healthy lifestyle, and the VEVOR stainless steel water distiller is here to provide just that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.